Yeah, oh yeah. Sadie. She looks like she's dead.
This is my lap dog.
Lap dog.
It's a 70-pound lap dog.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Sadie.
Sadie. Look at good girl.
Make it.
I'm sitting in a chair and she's not sharing very well.
She doesn't want to move.
Oh, she won't move for me. This is the best. She's compromising.
Sadie. Sadie.
Sadie. There's a good girl.
Whoop. Whoop.
That's a good girl. Are you sharing the chair?
Oh yeah. Oh
She
yeah.
praying?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're a good girl.
Sadie.
I'm training too.
I like how she whips her head.
Sadie. Yeah! No more sneezing now.
Sadie.
You're a good girl.
Puff the magic dragon.
Made it. She goes.
Sadie's whining because. Oh, there she goes.
Sadie. Sadie.
You want to sit in your chair?
Sadie.
Okay.
Our video. Come here. Here, Sadie. Come on. There's a good girl. Yeah, it's a good. Hey, come here. Come.
She's not very good at it. She's getting too
Sit on
big.
me better when you're a puppy. Come here. Hey. Have a cigarette? Can I have that? Let go. The cap will fall off in your mouth. This is not for puppies. Let's show Callie. Let's show YouTube what you can do.
Oh my god.
A little extra skin. Stretchy. Who's a stretchy dog? How about a pummy puppy?
It's
Oh,
Chinese.
Alaska Malamute.